Hey guys, it's Mark here, and today I got the Vivo Y55S. This is a mid-range smartphone, but what I see here, I consider it as an entry-level smartphone. Well, this video is gonna tell you why. This device was announced around early 2017. The Vivo Y55S has a very similar design to the iPhone 6 design. I mean, like, very alike. And it is something pretty common on any other phones. The phone design doesn't look that bad or ugly, but it's just kind of boring to see same design over and over again. For a mid-range smartphone, the biggest downside is the absence of fingerprint sensor. Not to mention the storage option as well. The phone has a plastic build. The rim surrounding the edges doesn't seem or feel like metal, but the entire phone finishing looks very convincing that it is made out of aluminium. The navigation key at the bottom aren't backlit, and there's no notification LED either. But you can use the rear LED flash to alert you to incoming calls, messages, and reminder when the screen is off. The volume rocker and the power button is on the right, which seems pretty similar on any other phones. The SIM tray is on the left. The audio jack and the micro SD slot is at the top, while the loudspeaker grill and the micro USB port rear side at the bottom. Now, when you pick up your new Vivo Y55S, in the box you will get a 5V 1A USB charger, the micro USB cable, a SIM injector, earphones, a case, and a screen protector, which is applied on the phone. The Vivo Y55S features a 5.2-inch 720x1280 IPS LCD display. The color reproduction is fairly good, and so far I did not have any major issue with viewing angles. The Y55S comes with a screen protector which is pre-installed, which is good since the phone doesn't have any reinforcement glass. Now, packed inside the Vivo Y55S is a Snapdragon 425, 2GB of RAM, or you can choose up to 3GB of RAM, and there's a micro SD card expansion up to 256GB. And the base of the Vivo Y55S comes in 16GB, and there's no 32GB option. The Vivo comes with Android 6.0 Marshmallow, FunTouch OS 3.0, and the UI looks and feels pretty similar to the iOS, like the control center, camera app, setting app, which has a very similar look to the iOS. But what shocked me the most is the control center. Well, I think it's gonna be pretty common soon in future. However, this phone can easily make up basic tasks, calling, texting, listening to music, watching videos, or maybe some light games. The split screen options, which is pretty useful when you are watching videos. You receive a message, you don't have to leave the app to view your message. You can check out the benchmark scores that I got for Vivo Y55S. Loudspeaker grill is at the bottom, which is fairly loud volume, but sometimes the speakers is too soft to hear anything, or maybe an incoming call. The Vivo Y55S comes with 30MP sensor with an f-stop of 2.2. The camera, it managed to take decent landscape and macro in daylight, although the finer details look a bit fuzzy when you zoom in. And the edges surrounding close-up subject lacks of sharpness. Color-wise, it looks pretty dull, depends on certain occasion. And the front-facing camera comes with a 5-megapixel sensor with an f-stop of 2.2 as well, which capture decent details, selfies under good lightings. However, the screen flash is slightly weak when it comes to evenly illuminating your face. It does have face beauty features for those who prefer artificially blemished selfies. Anyhow, check out some pictures and tell me what you guys think. The battery life for the Vivo Y55S is pretty average for basic tasks. This phone can last up for 7 to 8 hours, and I was able to get a full day worth of real world usage. On the other hand, charging this phone fully can take a few hours. And if you have a habit of fiddling your phone, this phone seems to be pretty good because I've been doing that for the past few weeks. Hey guys, this is actually a 1080p video test. Yeah, video test. And as I'm walking around, let's check focus. Yeah, as usual, tap to focus. I don't expect much from this kind of phone. Overall, it seems pretty good. Okay, and this is the front-facing video test. I think it's pretty good. Oh my god, my hair is a mess. I think overall it looks pretty good from here though. It seems good, looks good. Tell me what you guys think of the video and stabilization as I'm walking and walking. I don't think the stabilization works. I think it looks kind of good, I think, judging by on the screen. Tell me what you guys think and drop me a comment below. Peace out. Aside from that, thank you guys for watching, and please do hit the like and thumbs up button. I think both of them are the same thing anyway. And please do subscribe as well. Thank you, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!